gives me much pleasure to be here and just to echo the sentiments of Mr. Richard Lau, that it is very important, indeed, significant milestone in the confidence that the Nauru Government is showing PLR. PLR actually obviously is a name synonymous with equality. It has been around. I remember as a young child, my grandfather's family business was into running buses, running a bus company in the Western Division, and it was always a big deal whenever a new bus came out of PLR. And so it was in fact for a number of years the only bus company in Fiji doing coaches. And of course with the opening up of the Fijian market in Fiji, we now allow importation of overseas ready-made buses too. PLR still has, notwithstanding that grown strength to strength, it has a number of significant orders online, and of course people are still placing orders even locally. We have, as you will see on the buses, Fijian made logo on it. In order to get the certification, they have to jump through a number of hoops in terms of getting a certification. It signifies quality, it signifies a particular test that they have to go through to be able to get a certification. I'd like to on that point make a general remark regarding the Fijian made and by Fijian logo and the whole initiative that has been launched by the Nauru government, and that is to put focus on identifying Fijian products and to encourage Fijians to buy those products, but more so than that, to also signify that any Fijian made product that has that logo of Fijian grown has quality attached to it. And quality is very, very significant. We're a small country. In order to make our point of difference, we need to be able to ensure to the consumers and whoever it is that purchases our goods and indeed services that they are assured of quality. They're not assured only of quality, but they meet international best practices and international best standards. And I think that is very, very significant as far as the Nauru government is concerned, that that's what you're getting today. I'd like to, I don't want to give you a very long speech, but I think the strength as highlighted by Richard also rests with any company, rests with its employees. And obviously these buses have been put together, have been made because of the hard work of the employees within the company, their knowledge, their expertise, the training that they have received, and of course the significant experience they have. It does not only mean it's the people who are sort of, bolting the seats down or making those, the actual, putting the sponge together for the seats or putting the curtains together. It's also all those who support them, maybe the receptionists or the ladies who answer the telephone calls. They all play a pivotal role, and I think it would be amiss of us not to acknowledge their contribution. There you go. Okay, there you go. Thank you. Very nice.
I congratulate the Fiji government for very well supporting. Actually, now Fiji product is very popular back home.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
To see the mark just signifies the quality.
Yeah.
I can assure you that.